So we're going to test connectivity for these things over here. A little piece of rope, a coin, a key, a little piece of cardboard, a little piece of plastic strip, a rubber band, and some aluminium foil. Over here we have a battery, two wires, the positive and negative, connecting into this LED strip. So you can see when I connect a little coin, a 2 rupee coin over here with this, if I just touch it, look at that. You can see that glows, which means this coin is acting like a little piece of wire and completing the circuit which allows this LED to glow. Which means the coin, which is made of iron, is a good conductor of electricity. Now I'm going to take a key. It's an iron key. When I keep this key over here, you can see it glows, which means the iron key is also a good conductor of electricity. Now I'm going to take this little piece of aluminium foil. When I connect this right here, this glows too. Just a sec. It glows, but it's a little inconsistent. So basically this glows too, and you can see, because this is also metal, it's aluminium, this conducts electricity as well. Now we take a little rubber band. So when I keep the rubber band over here and try to connect this, you can see it's not connecting. It's touching both the ends, but is not lighting up the LED. Which means this is a bad conductor of electricity. Rubber prevents electricity from passing. So that's a bad conductor. I take a little piece of plastic and we keep this right here. This is not letting the electricity pass, which means it's also a bad conductor of electricity. So plastic also prevents electricity from passing. Now we take a little piece of rope right here. When I keep this over here, you can see that it's not actually conducting electricity. It's not letting it pass. But now when I take this rope and piece of rope and put it in the water, let it sink. We pull it out now. And now when I keep this over here, this moist piece of rope, you're going to see the LED is going to glow a little bit. Just a little bit, you can see the LED is glowing because it has water inside it now. The moist LED glows just a little instead of glowing like absolutely zero, because when I just get more moist right here, there we go, and I keep this right here, you can see it just glows just a little, not too much, like just a little, but it's better than now glowing like absolute zero. So when this means like the rope, when the little rope is not wet, it will not like let the electricity pass, but when it's in water, it allows electricity to pass. But this rope has very high resistance, so it like prevents most of the electricity from not passing, but the water, which is a good conductor of electricity, helps a little bit of electricity pass, and you can see that. Now we take a little piece of cardboard. So if I keep this right here, it does not let the electricity pass, which is also why the cardboard is the base right here. That was conductors and non-conductors of electricity.